Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever been staring at your Mac screen thinking, I really need to save this, but you're not sure how? Maybe it's a funny chat, an important receipt, or just a cool image you want to keep. Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you all the super easy ways to take a screenshot on your Mac. By the end of this video, you'll be a Screenshot Pro. Let's start with the most common one, capturing your entire screen. It's incredibly simple. All you need to do is press 3 keys at the same time, Shift, Command, and the number 3. Just press them together, and you'll hear a camera shutter sound. Boom! Your Mac just captured everything on your display. The screenshot will automatically save to your desktop as a new file. You can open it, edit it, or share it right away. Easy, right? But what if you don't want the whole screen? Maybe you just want to capture a specific window, like your web browser or a single app. Mac has a neat trick for that too. This time, you'll press Shift, Command, and the number 4. Your cursor will turn into a little crosshair. Now press the space bar. See how the window you're hovering over gets highlighted? Just move your mouse to the window you want to capture and click. And just like that, you have a perfect clean screenshot of just that window saved right to your desktop. No cropping needed. Okay, let's get even more precise. What if you only want a small part of your screen, like a single paragraph of text or one photo from a web page? This is my personal favorite. Again, you'll press Shift, Command, and 4. Your cursor turns into that crosshair again, but this time, instead of hitting the space bar, just click and drag the crosshair to draw a box around the exact area you want to capture. When you let go of the mouse button, the screenshot is taken instantly. It's perfect for getting exactly what you need without any extra clutter. Now for the ultimate screenshot tool. If you press Shift, Command, and 5, you'll open up a special Screenshot Toolbar at the bottom of your screen. This little panel gives you all the options in one place. You can choose to capture the entire screen, a window, or a selected portion, just like we already learned. But wait, there's more. You can also use this tool to record your screen, either the whole thing or just a part of it. Plus, in the Options menu, you can even set a timer or choose where your screenshots are saved. It's like having a complete screenshot command center. So there you have it. 4 simple ways to master screenshots on your Mac. From capturing the whole screen with Shift Command 3 to grabbing a specific area with Shift Command 4, all the way to the powerful Shift Command 5 toolbar. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments which shortcut is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.